and non-living things. Yes, we studied about non-living things and the living things, which all are the living and which all are the non-living. We'll start with the exercise. We did the exercise also in the last class, and a little bit we left. We'll do it and we'll start with the next chapter now. Okay, before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are praying to the God to help us in our wealth, health and in studies. Okay? Okay, students. We start with the exercise. We did answer the following. Answer the following. We did 2 question and answers. We'll start with the third question. We'll revise it once. Okay? We'll revise it once and we'll move to the next chapter. Okay. How does a plant breathe? How does a plant breathe? How the plant breathe? The plant breathe with a tiny pores in their leaves. They have a tiny pores. The small pores in their leaves. They breathe from them. They breathe from them. Okay? The plants breathe from the tiny pores on the leaves. Yes? They breathe from them. Okay. Name one plant that shows movement. Which is the plant that shows the movement? Yaar movement ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೈತಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿನೇ? Sunflower. Sunflower, I told you. Sunflowers turn the face towards the sun when sun comes, and it goes opposite when sun goes. Okay? They shows the movement. Sunflower shows the movement. Do all living things reproduce? Do all the living things reproduce? Yes, all the living things reproduce. Ella living things ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? Reproduction. They shows their reproduction. They show reproduction. Okay, they given the down life skill. Life skill. They see the life skill. Page number 145, children. In that the life skill is there. Living things need food to live and grow. Which of the following would you choose to grow well? Tick correct, you choose. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Living things ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? Live ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತೆ grow ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Which of the following is live and grow? Eat. First one, eat. Eating ಯಾವ್ದು? ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Vegetables, potato chips, fruits. Which is the healthy food? Vegetables. We have to eat vegetables. Drink. Milk, colas, water. Milk and colas. Milk and water. Colas ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? Coca-Cola ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರೊಳಗಿತ್ತ? ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾರ ಜಂಕ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ. Turn the page number, the next page, children, 146. Value of skill, value of the life, value of the life. Pets we keep in our house are also a living thing. If you have a pet, what will you do? Write yes or no. Write yes or no. Okay. Give it food on time. Stop giving it water. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Pet we keep in our homes are also a living thing. If you have a pet, what will you do? Write yes or no. ಇನ್ನು ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್, ಅದು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪೆಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಊಟ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ಎಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ನೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನೀರು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. Okay. Hearts question. Living things move. A car also move, but a car is not a living thing. Why? Living thing move. ಹೌದಾ? Living things move ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಅದರ ಕಾರ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ is it a living thing? Why it moves? ಏದಕ್ಕಿದ? Living things, yes, car is also a living thing. Yes, I will. Car is a non-living thing. Yes, I agree for that. But they move from one place to another place also. I agree for that. Why? ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ when the human made things give a stress to that. If anyone force it to move, then only they can move. ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಕೀ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. If you not, then it can't move from one place to another place. They want a helper. They don't want, they want a helper. Without help, they can't move from one place to another place. Understood? Okay. Activity for you, children. You have to do it by yourself. You have to do. Write Y for yes and N for no for each of the following features. Say if the thing is living. Okay, first one. Pen. Eat ಮಾಡ್ತವ? ಇಲ್ಲ. No. Moves? Yes. Breathes? no. Grows, no. Like that, they given some of the picture. You have to see that pictures and about it they ask some questions. Please write yes and no. Okay. Project work. They given a project. Living things grow. Take 2 pots and fill them with some soil. Place a small plant in one of the pots and stone in the other. Water both the pots regularly. Does the plant grow after few days? Is there any changes in the stone? Explain your observation. Children, you have to do this activity. What is the project work for you, children? You have to take 2 pots, fill the stones, soils in that. Small seeds and yadra seeds ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ದಿನ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ದಿನ ಅದು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು yes all the children have to do this project work okay take a ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮನಿ ಮುಂದ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಐತಿ ಹೌದಾ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 2 ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಚಂದಗ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ದಿನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಹಂಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರ್ರಿ ಸಣ್ಣದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ that growing section you have to observe and you have to see and tell me ellaru ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು project work all of you have to do that okay when it start growing na I want the pictures of that growing section okay you all will do na you are a good students you all have to do okay this is the chapter of living and non-living we did interesting chapter the living thing and the non-living thing this is the completion of living thing and the non-living thing children yes okay we did so many amazing things in this chapter this is the most memorable chapter yes our first chapter will be most memorable chapter children so always we have to remember the first chapter ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರೆಯಕ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ when it is a beginning of our school it is the beginning of our book the new book opening yes so we never have to forget the first chapter is what our first chapter is a living thing and the non-living thing okay children we'll move on to the next chapter plants and the animals the next chapter is plants and animals we'll see about the plants here and about animals we'll see about plants we'll see about animals how the plants are how the animals are we'll see about this in this chapter okay we'll start it okay let us begin name 2 useful plants and use 2 useful animals 2 plants 2 useful animals what you have to children ಮನಿಯೊಳಗ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅದಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫಿಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 animals which are useful for us search ಮಾಡ್ರಿ I need an answer of these 2 okay I need an answer of these 2 understood children yes okay we'll start with our chapter now okay I will read it please open page number 147 children all of you keep your fingers on that you already know that both the plants and animals are living things but they also differ from each other let us find out the difference ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ plants and animals both are the living things yes both are living things they are but ಅವಕುರ್ದ features ಬೇರೆ plants ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಮತ್ತೆ animals ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ they are living section also the living features also different they both are different but both are the living things only they both are living things we'll see it okay in your book they given some of the plants and some of the animals see they given one plant they given and the scorpio okay crab they given after that dog one more plant they given and the cow okay these types of animals they given and the plants also okay you can see this okay next chapter food habits of plants and animals we see about food habits and the of plants and animals most plants make their own food animals cannot make their own food they get their food from plants and other animals ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ತಮ್ಮ ಊಟ ತಾವ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾವ you know that in the previous class also we studied about that but the animals prepare their food from plants they take food from the plants and by the other animals like ಲೈಕ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ಅವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ಇವನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಷಿನ ಪ್ರಾಣಿನ ಅವ್ ತಿಂತಾವ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದರ್ ಗೋಟ್ and vegetarian it eats grass. Yes, like that. Some animals are there, they eat plants, and some animals are there, they eat meat. Like that, they eat other animals. Animals such as cows, goats, and elephants eat plants. Animals such as lion, tigers, and foxes eat other animals. ಹೌದಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಏನಂತಂದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅವಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಆದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಈಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ like plants they eat. Okay, understood? But the plants prepare their food by themselves. They prepare their food by themselves. They don't eat other food. They eat themselves only. Understood? What all we studied here, children? We studied in this chapter, in the beginning of this chapter, we studied that all the living things like plants and animals both are the living things, but their features are different. They both are different, but they are a living thing. Yes? Okay. And their food habits also differ. The plant eat, they prepare food by themselves only. They don't want other things. They prepare their food by themselves only. But the animals will not. The animals want food from the plants and they eat other animals only. Like for example, tiger, lion, fox. They want other animals to eat. They eat other animals. But goat, cows, elephants ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಷ್ಟ ಅವು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, understood? We studied about these all things today. We'll start with the next one with the next class. Okay, in the next class just you have to revise these all things. Today what all we studied now, just revise it. I told you to fill this first one. Let us begin. I told you to fill this one and the project work. I told you the what you have to do, take up 2 pots and you have to put a seeds in that and observe the growing session of that plants. Okay, you have to see that the project work will be that only. I want the photo click of that all things. And one more thing, these all previous exercise, living and non-living thing exercise we did now, these all picture click I will send you in the next class. Okay, before that don't write anything in your classwork, just revise it by your own. Don't write anything in your classwork. After I send you the answer key, then only you have to begin with the favorite. Okay children, we'll see you in the next class. See you tomorrow. Bye.